How's it going, guys? This is Sean with Excess Power Batteries. Today we're going to be doing a live unboxing video of a Titan8 Power S5. Now the S5 is extremely popular because it is our 12-volt battery, and it is meant to replace and run with factory AGM batteries with no upgrades needed to the charging system. So we're going to go ahead and get right into this. So this right here is what you're going to get when you buy a Power S5. This is how it should come, just like this. You see our logo on the front, Titan8 on the side. You'll see a barcode with some information on the back side. So we've done a lot of work in getting the packaging to look right on this battery and to protect it in things like shipping, to where having this box is just a great keepsake. Opens from the front. As you can see, the directions are on top. We'll go over this here in just a minute. It comes with your directions and your warranty card, which are both important. You also get a few excess power decals. And then as you can see, if you'll zoom in, you can see it has styrofoam all around the outside to prevent any sort of shipping damage. This is a specific package for this. If you order any of the batteries, it won't come like this. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. See, it comes out like one. See our battery there. Your little accessory here is your linking pieces and your set bolts and your Allen screws. We'll go over those in just a minute. The foam pieces should slide right off. They are made to be more of a snug fit. So as far as the top of the battery, what you have is you have your normal style terminals, very similar to what you're going to see on any of our other batteries. These can take any sort of terminals that our other batteries will. There should be any difference from the top. You can see you've got a positive and a negative. Now there will be some series of these that do not have this. So there'll be some that do not have any sort of top. Go ahead and flip it over. You see the excess power logo is made into the side of the battery. You've got your spots where your Allen screws are going to go. Pull this off. And under there, you'll see your busing system. It's meant for four 1-aught, that's car audio 1-aught wire, connections per side. This, individually in pieces, is where your center caps are gonna go. All that is a link connector to connect to the next one in case you wanna do multiple. So you would just connect down the line, simple as you would put a battery in parallel with it, for example, or as you would put two D3400s together. Gonna flip it over here, same exact logo. This is the negative side. And you'll also see a serial number in there, which is important for your warranty. Inside, got your logo. On the top, you'll see Power S5. You'll see the chemistry at the bottom. On the front, you'll see Made in the USA, excess power logo, and then some charge warnings. Go over that. So this is your instruction sheet. It'll give some information as far as to how tight your terminal needs to be, some quick questions maybe that you have, some installation answers. A great useful tool here will be your voltage for Power S5. It also includes S6s and S7s. On the bottom, it has some of your charge rates, your wattage, and how much they can support. Over here, it shows you how to connect your batteries. So that linking step we just talked about a minute ago, it'll show you how to connect those. Very simple. All right. This is pretty cool. We decided to include this. This is your mounting plate. So in a design like this, you can hide your wires. You can sit it flat, put your covers on. Nice and easy. Though then, nobody's gonna see your wiring. So this would be your template that you use to drill and mount your holes, to mount it flat. That way there's no wire, but you don't have to mock up a spot. So that is the Excess Power Titan8 Power S5 unboxing video. If you have any questions, give us a shout at www.4excesspower.com. See you guys later.